In this session, we are going to learn about while loop. In Python, while loop is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied. And when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in program is executed. That is, until the certain condition is true, the while loop will get executed. After that, it will go out of the loop and the next statement that is present after the while loop will get executed. The syntax for while loop is while the expression is true, then the statements that are present within the while block will get executed. Now let us go through some example programs so that we can understand while loop in a much better way. Now we are going to see some examples of while loop. The first example is we have to print the numbers up to 6. So I have initialized count equal to 0, then the syntax for while loop. While count is less than or equal to 6. The count is less than or equal to 6 is an expression. If it is true, then the statements that are present within the while loop will get executed. So while count is less than or equal to 6, so 0 is less than or equal to 6 is true. So I am going to print the count. So it will print 0, then count is incremented by 1. So count becomes now 1. So 1 is also less than or equal to 6, so 1 will print, then 2. So 2 is also less than or equal to 6, then 2 will get printed. Similarly, it will print up to 6. Now count becomes 7. So 7 is less than or equal to 6 is false, so it will come out of the loop. I am going to execute this program. So now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the output. The next example is we have to print the even numbers from 1 to 10 using while loop. So I have initialized the I as equal to 1. Now the condition is while I is less than or equal to 10, it will enter the loop. So 1 is less than or equal to 10 is true, so it will enter into the loop. So if I modulo 2 is equal to 0, then print I. If it is not, then increment I equal to I plus 1. So I modulo 2 is equal to 0, so 1 modulo 2 is not equal to 0, so else condition will come. So I will get incremented by 2. 2 is also less than or equal to 10. So 2 modulo 2 is equal to 0, so it will print the number 2. Then it will increment the number as 3, I plus 1, so it will become 3. So 3 is also less than or equal to 10. So similarly, this while loop will run until 10, and it will print only the even numbers that are present from 1 to 10. Now I am going to execute this program. So it just print the even numbers from between 1 and 10, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.